So, hello friends. In this video, we are going to see about data types. Data type. Data type is one of the important attribute of an identifier. Data type is a data storage format that can contain a specific type or range of values. Especially data types are categorized into three types, that is primitive, derived and user defined. So primitive data types are basically integer, character, boolean and so on, float such as, and derived data types are array, pointer, function, and user defined data types we are defined by the user, that is structure, union and enumerator data types, which is known as enum shortly. So primitive data types. Character type types. All single character in program belongs to character data type, that is known as char. That is a keyword. Characters are usually stored in 8 bits or 1 byte of internal storage. Keyword char is used for declaring the variable with character type. C has two classes of character storage, namely signed and unsigned. Syntax to declare a character variable is data type variable name, where char is a data type and variable name is a var1 is a variable name. Examples are given below. And to initialize a character variable is data type mentioning and variable name assigning using assignment operator and entering the value. Sorry, entering the character. A single character is only entered. Next comes the integer data type. The integers are whole numbers without fractional part. All the whole numbers used in program belongs to integer type. So keyword for declaring the variable with integer type, it is known as int, and var1 is a variable name, and similar to character, the syntax is same for integer, and we should only assign integer values 5, 10 and terminate with a semicolon. And floating type is similar to integer data type, in which usually point values are coming after the integer. So it is similar to integer data type. So float data types and double data types are belongs to store higher number of values. So syntax for double variable is given below. Data type variable name, and hence var1 is a variable of the type double. So syntax also given. So example program also given for initializing and assigning the double data type. Void data type is an empty data type. Next comes the void data type. So it has no values. It contains nothing or a null value. It is used to specify the return values of a function. So it is used in functions. Basically void is very useful. So next comes the chart, which shows the memory used of a particular data types, of the specific data types, and classes of the particular data types, and format specifiers starting with percentages are also mentioned in the table, so you can refer the table. So derived data types next comes. Derived data types or sorry derived data types are derived from the basic or primitive data types. Some of the derived data types are arrays, pointers, functions. Arrays can be defined as the collection of similar types of data. It can also be subscript variables. Each value in an array can be retrieved using a subscript. So elements of an array are referred by index number, which always begins with 0. So syntax is given. The basic syntax of array is first the data type and array name, and inside the square brackets the number of elements. So next comes pointer. Pointer is a variable whose value is the address of the another variable. So general form of the pointer variable declaration is given. So data type, pointer name, and so on. So example also given. So function is a group of statements that perform a specific task. Every C program at least has one function, which is main. So a function declaration tells the compiler about a function's name, return type, and parameters. So syntax of the functions is given. So basic function we have seen in the previous video already. So here is the notes of the function. So syntax is basically we have seen it before. So here see an example is given for the use case of void data type. Is it see it is used in function, so it is doesn't return anything in the function void. So user defined data types, the user defined data types are written by users according to their needs. It is derived from the basic data types. So here comes the structure, unions, and enumerator data types. So let's move further. So structures, unions, and enumerations. Structures are nothing but a collection of data items. Structures can hold set of data items of different types under a single name. These data types can be created using keyword struct. So struct is a keyword. It is used in a for declaring a structure. So syntax is given struct structure name and flower brackets. So data type member name and close the flower brackets. So structure variable name is given after the flower brackets and terminated using a semicolon. So example also given side by side, you can refer it. Unions can hold a set of data items of different data types under a single name. This data type can be created using the keywords union. Union is another keyword, same as struct keyword. So data type, so syntax is given union name. It is same. So only union can hold set of data types, a single name. So next comes EDT, which is known as enumerated data types. So let's move further. So enumerated data types are those in which variable contain only some specific set of values. For example, if a variable need to hold only months, it can have only one of the values from January to December. These type of variables can be created as enumerated data types. These data types can be created using the keyword enum. It is a short form of enumerated data types, and the syntax of the enum is given below. So enum type name and with brackets value 1, value 2 up to value n. So months example given of 12 months. So variables, here is the variables m1 and m2 of enumerated data types. It can only hold the values from January to December. So thank you. So in this video, if you have any doubts, so please comment me, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. So see you soon. Thank you.